So may gift ko para sa mga ating boy na kailangan. So birthday ko
Ayan. So, yan, let's do it again.
Don't forget to take your Lolo, Lola, your dad and your mom. Always love your younger brother.
Alright, so thank you very much, Ninong Glenn.
Hoy, Mama, happy birthday! Love ka namin. Merry Christmas na rin.
Okay, so thank you very much, Ninong.
Happy 7th birthday. Wish you good health always and be a good boy. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Ninong. Yeah, Ninong. Alright, so thank you very much to all the Nina and Ninong.